السلام عليكم.
نعم.
كيف الحال؟
الحمد لله.
ما شاء الله.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak in English.
Yes, I can a little.
You from which country?
Thailand,
MashaAllah.
from southern border,
Southern border.
Yala province. You know here?
I heard in Karabi and South Thailand very Muslims and Muslim
You will
population.
get some central about Dawah Markas.
Dawa Markaz.
You go here?
MashaAllah. Yes. Dawa. We are
Markaz.
also.
It's a
In my
the largest
country.
central there.
In my country, in India, I am also working dawa. Yes.
Yes, many people here go there. But-
Okay. MashaAllah.
So how long you been here?
I am leaving after 1 hour.
1 hour
Yes.
from
India. Yes.
So for you, something to
No.
do.
I just waiting for my flight time because 11 o'clock will be my flight time.
So you transit the other country.
No.
Oh, come here.
I will go back to my country.
Uh,
Yeah. I have visited Thailand. Yeah.
visited Thailand.
Yeah.
How long?
Almost I visited Rayong.
Rayong.
Yeah, Rayong. Due to some official work, some trainings. Yeah. But next time, inshallah,
Inshallah.
I will take your mobile number and I will in touch with you.
Okay.
Inshallah, if possible, because I want to, because I heard in India, in my country, Thailand has two parts. One is modern Thailand, digital Thailand, Bangkok, Pattaya, Rayong and other cities. There is very fashion, very modernization. But South Thailand, there is Islam.
Yes, Islam.
There is Muslims.
Yes.
They are Muslim and many madrasa, many Islamic center, many dawa,
Many.
tabligh,
Especially three province.
three
Yala,
province.
Patani, Narathiwat.
Okay.
These three.
Karabi in which province?
Krabi. Yes, that is province Krabi.
Because now I have read one book there. There in book there is one book inside. So I have read one Islamic scholar Maulana. He is from Karabi.
Maulana
His name Falaki name.
Falaki.
Yeah, he written this book. So I have read about him. He is from Karabi. He is living in Karabi. He has a big madrasa there. So I am very happy.
So you were working dawah there, India.
In India is Markaz of Dawa, Nizamuddin. You heard Nizamuddin? Markaz Nizamuddin. Markaz Nizamuddin is center of Dawa. All world.
Center.
Hmm?
The largest in the country, largest center.
Largest center. Yes. Dawa start from Bangla Wali Masjid, Markaz Nizamuddin, New Delhi. Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Alhamdulillah, Jazakallah. Same.
Which part of India you live?
Mumbai. You heard Mumbai?
Mumbai.
Near Mumbai, one city, Pune. Yeah,
Mumbai
Maharashtra.
is, the southern or western? Or
No. West.
West.
West side.
Western.
Yes. Inshallah, I will take your mobile number.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
If I have chance. So just slowly you come here.
I came before 2 hours. I am waiting in masjid because airport is very fashionable. There are so many people on airport. So it is mushkil to show your eyes, your iman inside airport. So because No, no, this airport.
This airport.
Yeah. So I am in masjid to sit in masjid to dhikr and yeah, alhamdulillah. Feeling very happy to see you, to meet you.
I saw.
Yeah.
I come here to study.
Study.
Yes, study.
Which
for study.
Islamic study?
No, no, just like
Yes, brother. Nice to meet you. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Walaikum assalam.
academic.
Which study?
University, you mean?
In which part?
Nonthaburi.
Nonthaburi.
Yes, if
In
from here around 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers. Islamic University?
Like academic,
Okay.
not Islamic.
Okay, okay.
In major master of
Okay.
educational administration.
MashaAllah.
Because now I'm a teacher in Betong, the one district of Yala.
MashaAllah.
Yeah. So now they're building new airport there. Betong.
In Bangkok?
Betong,
I don't understood.
the district of Yala.
Okay, okay, okay.
The district border with Malaysia. So that one is I think is almost international airport there.
There
It's
is
from
Muslim?
Korea, China. Yes, Betong Muslim. Multicultural there. Chinese, Buddhist, and then Muslim. Three.
Okay. But Muslim in majority.
Yeah, majority.
Alhamdulillah.
That's in downtown. I hope you go there in
Inshallah.
future. So you plan to go to come here again? You plan?
Yeah, I have plan because my friend, he is professor. He invited me to Thailand. Right now, I came in Thailand to give some training to some students.
Islamic.
โปรดทราบ
Yes.
เพื่อการรักษาความปลอดภัยของท่านและท่าอากาศยานดอน
It's
เมื
me
อง
you lecture.
กรุณาเก็บกระเป๋าและ
Professor.
สิ่งของไว้
Professor.
ให้ท่าน
Yes.
มิฉะนั้น
Oh,
เจ้า
mashallah.
หน้าที่รักษาความปลอดภัยจะนำไปเก็บรักษาไว้
In university.
ถ้าสิ่งของของท่านหาย
No, no.
โปรดแจ้งที่เคาน์เตอร์ประชาสัมพันธ์
Who
ท่า
I
อากาศ
am?
ยานดอนเมือง
No, I am Imam there in India.
Imam
In
and
masjid.
Professor.
My friend is professor.
Your friend here, Thailand.
Yeah.
It's Thais.
Yes.
In Rayong.
No.
Bangkok.
Yeah. In Rayong, we visited with our team.
Team.
Yeah.
各位旅客请注意，出于机场安全保障原因，
You have prayed prayer. You have used lungi. We call lungi. Yeah. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, in Thailand, using this one to prayer.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. On pant, not praying.
So just wear this one. No.
This is not.
Yes, just only wear this one.
Okay, using because I have seen you have wear this one upper your pant. Yeah.
Because for close my this one.
Okay,
It's
satar.
very- Yes. Very, like just okay for comfort.
Satar.
Aura.
Yes. So satar already when you have wear pant, I think your satar already covered.
Yes, but sometimes when we roko or suju, maybe
Yes. Yeah, move now.
move down.
Especially if jeans pant.
Yes.
Yeah, this thing I also observed in India. Many people they are wearing a small t-shirt and
yes,
jeans.
yes.
In this situation, many times Satar will
Yes,
open.
not
Yeah,
sure,
yeah. Yeah, it's very good
This one
habit.
is then three pockets.
Mashallah.
Three pockets. Shirt, long hair.
Yes, yes, yes.
You will see.
Yes.
Yeah. But some no.
Yeah.
It's the long. How India?
In India,
Yes.
or like this is my pajama. This is
Pajama,
like pajama. Indian people like this pajama and like this kurta.
Kurta.
Yeah, we call this kurta.
For here, this sarong. We call
Sarong.
Sarong, yes.
Sarong.
Sarong.
We call this
Thai-
lungi
Lungi.
in India.
Lungi. That is wearing that now.
Made in India. In India, many factories.
Oh, manufacturing. India.
Yes, and in India, more than half Indian local citizen, they are wearing lungi. Yes, so many states in India, 28 states. Yeah, and in 28 states, I think more than 15 states, there are people wearing lungi. All south states and east, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, all south region of India like to wear lungi.
Daily wearing or just for go pray or what?
No.
Daily wearing
24 hours.
or 24 hours.
Yes, and in South India, capital is Madras. Tamil Nadu capital is Madras. Maybe you heard about Madras, Chennai. So in Chennai, there is lungi is official dress.
Official
Means yeah, with lungi you can go in your office, in your company, everywhere. Means you can work, you government work.
So what about a church? Yes.
No. Shirt and lungi.
Yes. So church like this or the
Like your shirt, like my shirt. But if at the place of pant, if weared lungi, it's acceptable, not rejected. Acceptable in companies also.
yes because
Yeah,
no,
formal dress.
Yes, no, yeah, formal dress.
This is part of formal dress.
But here it's just for go to masjid,
Yeah.
pray or something like this. Then for who just studying in Islamic like pondok.
Yes.
Wajib pondok. Yes.
Madrasa,
Yes.
Bayan, Ijtema.
Madrasah. But something like just study Islamic.
mashallah.
Is kitab.
Yeah.
Yes. So,
Inshallah, if possible, I will plan again to visit Thailand, inshallah.
inshallah.
Inshallah. Because I want to visit some madrasa and to visit mosque, Muslim people, especially in south region.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jala.
Ya Allah.
You can be there.
Yeah, I got
Markaz.
your number.
Yes. Markaz Jala. So like some night in 1 week.
Inshallah.
Like, yes. The Friday evening, people come there.
Mashallah.
They-
Yala
They
Markaz.
listen bayan
Yala Markaz.
from yes Maulana.
Mashallah. I will visit surely, inshallah.
Madrasah. Dia madrasah then pondok.
Okay.
Yes. Now for madrasah, have two sector. One in madrasah have two sector, Islamic study then academic.
MashaAllah.
Yes, madrasah. When pondok, just Islamic study.
MashaAllah.
Something finish can be babo, you know babo.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Babo. Some will be imam masjid.
MashaAllah. This is very
leader,
good.
Yes, Islamic leader.
Yes, brother. So now I want to take your permission to leave because 11 o'clock will start my boarding.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Inshallah, we'll see
Ma'as-salama.
you. Ma'as-salama. Your good name?
Usman.
Usman.
Yes.
I heard in Thailand two name, one Thai name, one Islamic name.
Usman. In the Thai name, Isman.
Isman.
Yes.
Okay.
Isman Usman.
And what is what work you are doing?
Teacher.
MashaAllah, you are teacher. Government teacher?
Yes, government teacher.
MashaAllah. In Yala?
In Jalai.
Okay. MashaAllah. So brother Usman, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And if possible, in future,
Yes.
we'll meet you again, inshallah.
I will
Assalamu
waiting
alaikum.
for you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'assalam.
Massalam.
See you later.
Inshallah.
Have fun.